Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix screen retention on Android devices. In order to fix screen retention on Android devices, first thing, let me just inform you what actually a screen retention is. So it is just a relatively rare phenomenon among modern electronic devices where either all of the part of an image remains faintly but persistently on your screen even when it's either off or supposed to be showing you something entirely different. So in order to fix it, what you can do is, first thing first, you can go ahead and turn off your device. Now leaving your phone off for a few hours could help lessen the impact of the burn-in. You can also download a fixer app or replace the screen. If you are unable to follow any of these, then what you can do is there is a simply third-party application. So you'll have to download Go Screen app that is only available in APK formats. Open up your Google Chrome and then make sure to install the following application. Once you open it up, you can just go ahead and install it. And once you're done installing it, you can change the color as well. If that is also not working out, then you turn on to light mode. The screen retention might appear. In order to hide it, you can just simply enable dark mode and that might be able to fix the issue. So in this way, you can fix your screen retention on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.